friends, braised pork belly is one of my favorite Chinese dishes, and this is how to make it. First, cut some large wedges of ginger and green onions. I only have one sprig left, but if I had more, I'd do 2 to 3. Then slice up the pork belly into 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. The bigger the chunks, the longer you'll have to braise it for, so if they're too small, they'll disintegrate into minced meat. Then put everything into a pot and pour enough water to cover the pork. We're going to be blanching the meat by boiling it for a short period of time and then removing the scum. This help removes impurities, excess fat, and any undesirable flavors from the surface of the meat. Reserve a few cups of the blanching liquid for later. Then drain the pork and shock it quickly under some cold water. Next, we're going to add some oil and sugar. Rock sugar is preferred, but I use cane sugar. Avoid stirring the sugar after it starts to melt or it will start sticking to your utensils. Just swirl the pan to move it around. Once it melts and caramelizes, put the pork in and mix it to coat the meat in the caramelized sugar as evenly as you can. Add some Shaoxing wine and trust me, it makes a difference. It adds umami, tenderizes the meat, and gives it a gloss. Then add some 5 spice and give it a stir. Finally, some light soy sauce and dark soy sauce or braising sauce. Then pour in some of that reserved blanching liquid, simmer under medium heat with the cover on for 45 minutes to an hour. Stir frequently to avoid burning. So I'm cheating here with a bit of cornstarch to reduce the liquid because I got distracted and left it on for too long. For this last stretch, cook it on high heat uncovered to reduce the sauce. Serve it over steamed rice. I like to add a soft boiled marinated egg and chili powder. If the pork is properly rendered, it shouldn't be greasy, the sauce should have a silky texture, and it should all just melt in your mouth. This dish has such a complex and flavorful profile. The meat is so savory, tender, and succulent. It's so good.